Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we have an exciting countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon. These innovative kitchen appliances are designed to save space and elevate your cooking experience with the perfect blend of microwave and convection oven features. Without further ado, let's dive into the top combination microwave and wall oven products that have earned rave reviews and become favorites among home cooks everywhere. Stay tuned as we explore the standout features, customer reviews, and reasons why these products are flying off the virtual shelves. Let's get started. Number 10 on our countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon is the JK3800SHSS Electric Combination Wall Oven, a true game-changer in the kitchen. Imagine the ease of use with its glass touch controls. You can set temperatures swiftly, effortlessly, and with precision. Cleaning is a breeze. No more scrubbing and fussing over stubborn stains. But wait, there's more. The Delay Start feature is a marvel of modern convenience. Program your oven to start cooking at a time that suits you best. Have dinner ready the moment you walk in the door. No more waiting around. And for those concerned about safety, the control lock capability is a lifesaver. Prevent unintended use and keep your household safe with just a simple touch. The JK3800SHSS Electric Combination Wall Oven isn't just an appliance, it's a seamless blend of innovation and practicality, designed to make your culinary adventures more enjoyable and efficient. At number 9 in our countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon, we have the JK7800SHSS Electric Combination Wall Oven, a culinary masterpiece. Picture this, effortlessly keeping an eye on your culinary creations. The oven's design allows you to see exactly how your food is baking, ensuring that every dish turns out just right. But that's just the beginning. Achieve mouthwatering results with the innovative third heating element and fan combination. This dynamic duo works in harmony, creating an even heat distribution that makes every bite a delight. And the magic doesn't stop there. Imagine food rotating seamlessly throughout the cooking cycle, delivering uniform cooking results every time. No more unevenly cooked meals, just perfect consistency from edge to center. The JK7800SHSS Electric Combination Wall Oven isn't just an appliance, it's your kitchen's new best friend. It combines cutting-edge technology with practical features, making it a must-have for anyone serious about cooking. Sliding into the 8th spot on our countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon, we have the Samsung NQ70M7770DS 7.0Q, Fort Stainless Combination Electric Wall Oven, a marvel of modern culinary innovation. First up, the Flex Duo feature. Imagine cooking 2 different dishes at separate temperatures simultaneously, thanks to the smart divider. No flavor transfer, no hassle, just pure efficiency. Next, let's talk about time-saving magic with Power Convection. This feature in the microwave cooks your food quickly and evenly, ensuring perfection in every bite. And for those who crave the perfect texture, the Steam Cook feature is your secret weapon. It delivers precise moisture, creating dishes with a golden brown, crispy exterior and a tender, juicy interior. Every meal becomes a culinary masterpiece. But there's more. This wall oven boasts a large 5.1 cu FTR capacity, easily fitting multiple meals or large casserole dishes, and it stays fingerprint resistant, keeping your kitchen looking pristine. Stay connected with Wi-Fi connectivity. Monitor and adjust cook time and temperature right from your smartphone via the SmartThings app. And when your hands are full, control the oven with your voice using Bixby, Alexa, or Google. Convenience at its finest. The illuminated digital analog controls offer a premium design with intuitive step-by-step instructions. Only the selectable cooking options illuminate, making it simple and user-friendly. Finally, say goodbye to scrubbing with the self-clean feature. It heats to a high temperature, burning off grease and residue, leaving your oven spotless. The Samsung NQ70M7770DS 7.0Q Fort Stainless Combination Electric Wall Oven is not just an appliance. It's a culinary revolution designed to elevate your cooking experience to new heights. Coming in at number 7 on our countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon, we have the Samsung 30 inches electric wall oven microwave combo in sleek black stainless steel, model NQ70T5511DS/AA, a true blend of style and substance. First, let's talk capacity. This oven is spacious, accommodating a roast, multiple casserole dishes, or even 2 full racks of cookies. Whether it's a family feast or a casual bake-off, this oven has got you covered. Next, the digital touch controls. This integrated premium design not only looks sophisticated, but is also a breeze to clean. Say goodbye to complicated knobs and dials, just smooth, easy operation. And for those who love their food perfectly crisp, the grill microwave feature is a game changer. It crisps your food on the outside while keeping it juicy on the inside. Imagine biting into that perfect piece of grilled chicken, crunchy on the outside, tender and flavorful within. But convenience doesn't stop there. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor and control your oven from anywhere using the SmartThings app. Preheat the oven on your way home, turn it off if plans change, or adjust the cooking temperature from the comfort of your couch. It's all about making life easier. Finally, the blue ceramic interior not only offers a premium look and feel, but also ensures durability and easy cleaning. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily cooking while maintaining its stunning appearance. The Samsung 30 inches electric wall oven microwave combo in black stainless steel isn't just an appliance. It's a versatile powerhouse that brings luxury and efficiency to your kitchen, making every meal an occasion to remember. Securing the 6th spot on our countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon, we present the JK3800SHSS Microwave Wall Oven, a marvel of modern kitchen technology. First, let's dive into the glass touch electronic controls. Imagine operating your oven with just a gentle touch. These controls are designed for ease of use, blending seamlessly into your kitchen's aesthetic while providing precise control over your cooking. Now, let's talk about the hidden element. This clever design feature helps distribute heat evenly throughout the oven cavity. Say goodbye to hot spots and uneven cooking. Every dish comes out perfectly cooked, just as you intended. Safety is paramount in any kitchen, and the control lockout feature ensures just that. It prevents unintentional or unsupervised use, giving you peace of mind whether you have little ones around or just want to avoid accidental adjustments. The JK3800SHSS Microwave Wall Oven isn't just an appliance. It's a sophisticated partner in your culinary journey, offering innovative features that elevate your cooking experience to new heights. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon? Well, don't let your kitchen miss out on the heat. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your culinary game sizzling. Number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon is the JK3800SHSS Electric Combination Wall Oven, a true kitchen maestro. First, let's explore the glass touch controls. Setting temperatures has never been so swift and simple. With just a touch, you can command your oven with precision and cleaning. A breeze thanks to this sleek, seamless interface. Now picture this. You're busy juggling multiple tasks, and you need dinner ready at just the right moment. Enter the delay start feature. Program your oven to start cooking at a time that suits you perfectly. No more rushing or timing mishaps, just delicious, perfectly timed meals. And let's not overlook safety. The control lock capability is a guardian angel in your kitchen. It prevents unintended use, ensuring that your oven operates only when you want it to. Peace of mind with just a touch. The JK3800SHSS Electric Combination Wall Oven isn't just an appliance. It's an indispensable ally in your culinary adventures. Streamlined, efficient, and designed to elevate your cooking experience, this oven brings innovation and convenience to your fingertips. Landing at number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon, we introduce the Samsung Bespoke 30 inches Microwave Combination Wall Oven with Flex Duo trademark, matte black steel, model NQ70CG700DMTDA, a true masterpiece in kitchen innovation. First, let's talk about the bespoke design. This is Samsung's premium line of home appliances, designed to lead the way in style, technology, and connectivity. Imagine a kitchen that perfectly expresses your personal style, a harmonious blend of elegance and functionality. Now, the magic of a two-in-one appliance. Flexibility is at your fingertips with the Combi Double Oven. The convection microwave on top handles your reheating and quick cooking needs, while the bottom wall oven is perfect for all your baking and general cooking. 2 ways to cook, one magnificent appliance, but it gets even better. This wall oven transforms from 1 into 2 ovens, allowing you to cook multiple meals simultaneously. Its push-to-open, handle-free door adds a touch of modern convenience, making it incredibly easy to use. And for those who cherish culinary precision, the AIR sous vide feature is a game-changer. Preserve your food's natural flavors and avoid overcooking with this advanced technology. Your dishes will be tender, juicy, and bursting with flavor. Let's not forget connectivity. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor and control your oven from anywhere using the SmartThings app. Preheat it on your way home, turn it off if you're away, or adjust the cooking temperature from another room. Ultimate control, ultimate convenience. The Samsung bespoke 30 inches microwave combination wall oven with Flex Duo trademark isn't just an appliance. It's a statement piece, a culinary ally, and a testament to modern kitchen design. Securing the 3rd spot on our countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon, we have the PT9800SHSS Combination Wall Oven, a true powerhouse of culinary innovation and convenience. Imagine the freedom of wirelessly controlling your oven functions right from your smartphone. Whether you're lounging in the living room or busy in the backyard, you can adjust settings, preheat, and monitor your cooking without being tethered to the kitchen. Seamless integration with your lifestyle, bringing ultimate convenience to your fingertips. Now let's delve into the cooking magic. This oven ensures that both large and small dishes brown evenly, thanks to its 2 full coverage elements. Say goodbye to uneven cooking and hello to perfectly browned casseroles, roasts, and baked goods every single time. Every bite is cooked to perfection, just the way you like it. And then there's the bright interactive touchscreen. It's not just functional, it's fun and engaging. Programming your oven has never been this enjoyable. With an intuitive interface, you can easily navigate through settings, timers, and cooking modes, making every cooking experience a breeze. The JK3800SHSS Combination Wall Oven isn't just an appliance, it's your smart kitchen companion, blending advanced technology with practical features. It's designed to elevate your cooking experience, making it more efficient, more enjoyable, and absolutely foolproof. At number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon, we present the LG WCEP 6423 F30-inch Smart 6.4 CU EFT Total Capacity Electric Combination Double Wall Oven with Wi-Fi, a marvel of culinary sophistication and smart technology. Imagine the efficiency of convection cooking. It's all about precision and speed, circulating hot air to ensure your dishes are cooked evenly and thoroughly, reducing cooking time and enhancing flavor. Perfectly roasted meats, evenly baked cookies, and crispy vegetables, all achieved with ease. But that's not all. This oven features a built-in air fry. Health-conscious and craving that crispy texture, now you can indulge without the guilt. Enjoy fried foods with less oil and all the crunch right from your oven. Stay connected with Wi-Fi. Monitor and control your oven from anywhere, whether you're at home or on the go. Preheat, adjust temperatures, and check cooking status, all from your smartphone. Convenience and peace of mind, anytime, anywhere. The print-proof finish ensures your appliance always looks pristine. Say goodbye to fingerprints and smudges. Your oven stays as beautiful as the day you bought it with minimal effort. And for the tech-savvy chef, the scan-to-cook technology is a game-changer. Simply scan the barcode on your favorite frozen foods, and the oven sets the optimal temperature and time for perfect results. Cooking has never been this smart and effortless. The LG WCEP 6423F isn't just an oven, it's a state-of-the-art cooking companion, blending innovation, convenience, and style to elevate your kitchen experience to new heights.
And here we are at the pinnacle of our countdown, the #1 best-selling combination microwave and wall oven on Amazon, the JK3800SHSS Combination Wall Oven. This appliance isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a revolution in cooking efficiency and convenience. First, let's talk about the glass touch controls. Imagine the power at your fingertips, setting temperatures quickly, precisely, and with minimal effort. And cleaning? It's almost too easy. A quick wipe, and you're done, keeping your oven looking immaculate and ready for the next culinary adventure. Now think about the delay start feature. Life is busy, schedules are hectic, but your cooking doesn't have to be. Program your oven to start at a predetermined time, ensuring your meals are ready exactly when you need them. Perfect timing, every time, without you having to lift a finger at the last minute. Safety is paramount, and the control lock capability brings peace of mind. It prevents unintended use, making your kitchen a safer space. Whether you have curious little ones around or you simply want to avoid accidental adjustments, this feature ensures your oven operates only when you want it to. The JK3800SHSS Combination Wall Oven stands as a testament to thoughtful design and advanced technology, combining user-friendly features with top-notch performance. It's not just an oven, it's the cornerstone of a modern, efficient, and safe kitchen. A well-deserved #1 on our list, elevating your cooking experience to unparalleled heights. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling combination microwave and wall ovens on Amazon. To stay up to date with all the top-rated products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the amazing products we featured today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.